So now let's see how we can work around with Cont, Pivot, MD, and BOFs right here inside of the color pays in Davinci Resolve. So once a footage is loaded out right here, then on the SDR section right here, you can see that Cont, Pivot, MD, and BOFs are available right here. You can go around onto the clip that you want to work around with. Let's say, for example, I want to work around with this particular clip. I can simply select it. Then you can see that I can just go around and then click and drag this around. So if I were to go around and click and drag the Cont right here, then what happens is that increases the contrast, as you can see. Hence, it's named as Cont right here in short form. You can increase this out, and it increases the contrast, that is the difference between black and white right here. So you can make it much more softer right here, or increase the level of difference between black and white by using this, as you can see. Pivot is more like the highlights right here. So you can see that when I'm working around with pivots, it's actually pushing up the highlights, that is the bright areas of an image down, but it does not affect the dark areas. But if I were to go to MD right here, then what happens is that it changes around the sharpness of the image, as you can see right here, and then it softens everything out right here. You can go around, increase the level of sharpness or decrease the level of sharpness by using MD right here. Then after that, you can see that there's the black filter right here. So if I were to click and drag, you can see that the dark part of the images over here on the scopes gets pushed up right here. That is how you can get out the detail out of the blacks, as you can see. And that is how you can use the contrast, the pivot, the MDs, and BOFs inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.